What can we learn from the resilience of the Neanderthals? How can their innovations, born out of necessity and adaptability, inspire our own path forward? These are questions that scientists, historians, and thinkers continue to grapple with as they uncover new insights into the lives of this remarkable species. Neanderthals faced some of the harshest environmental conditions imaginable, yet they thrived through their resourcefulness, ingenuity, and community cohesion. Their ability to adapt to changing climates, develop sophisticated tools, and care for one another in times of hardship offers valuable lessons in resilience, innovation, and collaboration. As we face our own challenges in a rapidly changing world, we can draw inspiration from their creativity and determination. Their story encourages us to think beyond our immediate needs and look for solutions that not only address the problems at hand, but also strengthen our bonds with one another and our connection to the natural world. Though the Neanderthals are long gone, their legacy remains intertwined with our own, reminding us that their innovations and adaptability are forever part of us, offering timeless lessons for the future. Through this exploration, we see not only the Neanderthals but also ourselves. Their triumphs and challenges mirror our own, and their legacy endures as a reminder of what it means to be human. Neanderthals possessed remarkably robust physiques, perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. Their muscular builds, with broad shoulders and strong limbs, enabled them to withstand the extreme cold and engage in physically demanding activities, such as hunting large game and enduring long winters. Their skulls exhibited unique features, including prominent brow ridges, a low forehead, and a large nose, all of which contributed to their distinct appearance. However, what makes the Neanderthals truly fascinating is the wealth of information we've uncovered through advanced genetic studies. These studies have revealed startling similarities between Neanderthals and modern humans, challenging the once-held belief that they were primitive or mentally inferior. In fact, Neanderthals demonstrated an impressive level of intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Their ability to craft sophisticated tools, control fire, and even create symbolic art points to a level of cognitive complexity that mirrors aspects of human culture. Their adaptability to diverse environments, from the frozen tundra to forested regions, showcases their remarkable survival instincts. The resilience of the Neanderthals allowed them to thrive in conditions that, even today, would present significant challenges to modern humans. Hunting was central to Neanderthal survival. They employed advanced stone tools to hunt large game like mammoths and deer. Archaeological sites reveal the precision and intelligence behind their toolmaking. Their tools were not merely instruments of survival, but also symbols of their ingenuity. The Neanderthals' daily lives were intricately linked to the world around them, with every aspect of their existence shaped by the environment they inhabited. Their deep understanding of the land and its resources was essential for survival, allowing them to create strategies that sustained their communities for generations. They knew where to find water, what plants could be used for food or medicine, and how to track and hunt animals for sustenance. Whether it was crafting sophisticated weapons like spears and scrapers for hunting or developing effective tools for processing meat and skins, the Neanderthals demonstrated a keen sense of resourcefulness and innovation. Their ability to adapt and create solutions to the challenges of their environment was not just a matter of survival, but also an indication of their evolving intellect and creativity. Furthermore, their methods for preserving food, such as smoking or drying meat, show a deep respect for the cycles of nature and a strategic approach to ensure that food supplies lasted through the harsh winter months. Their connection to nature was not only practical but spiritual, as they likely held beliefs and rituals tied to the forces that governed the natural world around them. In this way, the Neanderthals displayed a remarkable balance of resourcefulness, innovation, and reverence for the world in which they lived. Their shelters, often natural caves, provided refuge from the harsh weather and predators. These caves were more than mere shelters. They were homes where communities gathered, shared food, and nurtured their young. Neanderthals also gathered plants and fruits to supplement their diet, demonstrating their adaptability. As they navigated the relentless challenges of Ice Age climates, Neanderthals exhibited extraordinary resilience and resourcefulness. Faced with freezing temperatures, harsh winds, and limited resources, they demonstrated a remarkable ability to adapt their clothing, tools, and shelter to meet the demanding conditions of their environment. They crafted garments from animal skins, carefully sewn and fitted to provide insulation against the cold, and used furs to line their shelters, ensuring they could survive in the most extreme weather. Their ingenuity in toolmaking allowed them to fashion specialized implements for hunting, processing food, and protecting themselves, with finely crafted stone tools designed to withstand the rigors of the Ice Age. Neanderthal shelters, often constructed from bones, wood, and hides, were strategically designed to offer warmth and shelter from the elements, showcasing their practical understanding of the environment. Their ability to endure and even thrive in such harsh and unforgiving climates speaks not only to their physical strength but also to their innovative mindset and determination. This adaptability, coupled with their skills in creating efficient hunting strategies and maintaining social cohesion, enabled Neanderthals to not only survive, but flourish in environments that would challenge even modern humans. Around 40,000 years ago, the Neanderthals disappeared. But why? Theories abound. Climate change, diseases, or competition with modern humans. The evidence suggests a combination of these factors may have contributed to their demise. However, their legacy lives on in our DNA, as traces of their genes are found in modern human populations. Welcome to this extraordinary documentary, an immersive journey back in time to uncover one of the most enigmatic and fascinating chapters of human history. This is the captivating story of the Neanderthals, a species that once roamed the Earth thousands of years ago, leaving behind a trail of mystery, intrigue, and a legacy that continues to fascinate scientists and historians alike. Through this documentary, we will embark on an in-depth exploration of their lives, their evolution, the environments they inhabited, and the challenges they faced. We will examine their unique physical traits, their customs and rituals, their tools and technologies, and the relationships they formed within their communities. What led to their rise, and what ultimately caused their extinction. Over the next 5 hours, we will delve deeply into the intricate details of Neanderthal existence, unraveling the complexities of their world and uncovering new insights about this ancient lineage. Join us as we embark on a remarkable voyage through time, shedding light on the mysteries of our distant ancestors and their enduring impact on the history of humankind. Approximately 400,000 years ago, in a harsh and unforgiving world, the Neanderthals made their first appearance. Their remains have been found across Europe and parts of Asia, evidence of their adaptation to a cold and challenging environment. Genetic analysis reveals that Neanderthals shared a common ancestor with modern humans, but their evolutionary paths diverged. The social fabric of Neanderthal communities was not only robust but also deeply interdependent, revealing a society where cooperation and mutual support were vital to their survival. They lived in small, tightly knit groups, with each individual playing a crucial role in the welfare of the collective. Evidence from archaeological sites suggests that Neanderthals cared for the elderly, the sick, and the injured, which challenges earlier assumptions that they were solely driven by a survival of the fittest mentality. The fact that they provided care for those who could no longer contribute physically to the group speaks to a level of social sophistication far beyond what was previously thought. These compassionate behaviors indicate that Neanderthals possessed not just survival instincts, but a genuine sense of empathy and communal responsibility. In addition, the The discovery of burial sites further deepens our understanding of their social and cultural complexity. The careful and deliberate manner in which they buried their dead, often with tools or other items placed alongside the bodies, suggests that they engaged in rituals that may have had spiritual or symbolic significance. This evidence points to a belief system, possibly reflecting an understanding of life, death, and the afterlife. Neanderthals' care for their vulnerable members, combined with their burial practices, provides compelling insights into their capacity for empathy, respect, and a sense of community, qualities that were once believed to be exclusive to modern humans. Contrary to early beliefs, creativity was not exclusive to modern humans. Neanderthals crafted intricate tools, adorned objects, and created simple engravings. These discoveries reveal a capacity for abstract thought and artistic expression. Their art, though primitive by modern standards, offers a glimpse into their inner world and cognitive abilities. The story of the Neanderthals is not just about extinction, but about survival, adaptation, and the enduring connection they share with our own ancestors. Far from being a tale of failure, it is one of resilience, of a species that faced the challenges of their environment with remarkable ingenuity and determination. Their ability to adapt to changing climates, craft tools, form social bonds, and navigate the complexities of life in the Ice Age speaks to their extraordinary survival skills. While the Neanderthals eventually disappeared, their legacy lives on in the genetic traces they left behind in modern humans, a testament to the enduring connection between our species. Their story is, in many ways, our story, an essential chapter in the broader narrative of human evolution. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through time, exploring the lives, struggles, and triumphs of our ancient relatives. The Neanderthals remind us that our shared heritage is more complex and interconnected than we once thought, and their story serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience and adaptability that unite us all as inhabitants of this planet. Today, the study of Neanderthals continues to evolve with advancements in technology. DNA sequencing, advanced imaging, and innovative archaeological methods are shedding new light on their lives and their place in the human family tree. Neanderthals were not an evolutionary dead end, as once believed, but rather a vital and integral chapter in the broader human story. Far from being a failed branch of humanity, they were a thriving and adaptive species that contributed in significant ways to the history of humankind. Their resilience in the face of harsh environments, their creativity in toolmaking, and their capacity for empathy and social cooperation offer invaluable insights into our own nature and the qualities that define us as humans. By studying their lives, we are not only learning about their survival strategies and cultural practices, but also gaining a deeper understanding of the complexities of human evolution. Neanderthals remind us that humanity is not a singular, linear journey, but a rich and varied tapestry, shaped by many different forces and species. As we continue to uncover more about their lives through ancient tools, burial sites, and genetic research, we gain a clearer picture of our shared past and a more profound sense of our place in the natural world. The legacy of the Neanderthals is a testament to the resilience, adaptability, and diversity that have always been fundamental to human existence. And in understanding them, we come closer to understanding ourselves. As we delve deeper into the artifacts left behind, the complexity of Neanderthal life becomes even clearer. From hunting tools to intricate carvings, every discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of who they were and how they thought. For years, Neanderthals were unfairly portrayed as brutish, primitive creatures, little more than crude predecessors to modern humans. This image, shaped by early misunderstandings and biased interpretations, painted them as less intelligent and culturally developed than their Homo sapiens counterparts. However, modern science has shattered these long-held stereotypes, revealing a species that was not only intelligent and resourceful but also remarkably sophisticated. Through advanced archaeological and genetic research, we now know that Neanderthals exhibited behaviors and abilities that were once thought to be exclusive to Homo sapiens. They crafted tools with precision, adapted to diverse and harsh environments, cared for their sick and elderly, and may have even developed symbolic art and complex social structures. These discoveries have transformed our understanding of Neanderthals, showing them to be deeply human in their capacity for empathy, innovation, and adaptation. This shift in perception forces us to reconsider what it truly means to be human, highlighting the fact that our evolutionary history is far more complex and diverse than previously imagined. Neanderthals were not a failed branch of humanity, but rather a testament to the rich variety of human life that once thrived on Earth, and their story invites us to appreciate the full depth of our shared ancestral past. The story of Neanderthal interbreeding with Homo sapiens sheds light on the complex tapestry of human evolution. These interactions were not merely biological, but likely involved cultural exchanges, further enriching the legacy of both species. This documentary is not merely a recounting of history, but a celebration of the Neanderthals' enduring legacy and the profound impact they have left on the story of human evolution. Through their resilience, intelligence, and creativity, the Neanderthals have inspired us to rethink the conventional narratives of human progress. Far from being a simplistic tale of survival or extinction, their journey compels us to look beyond the surface and explore the depth and complexity of our shared past. As we delve into their tools, social structures, and innovative adaptations, we come to understand that the Neanderthals were not merely primitive ancestors, but rather a sophisticated and adaptable species, capable of shaping their world in ways that mirror the ingenuity of modern humans. Their story invites us to appreciate the richness of human history, acknowledging the diversity of paths that have led to the world we know today. In recognizing the Neanderthals' remarkable achievements, we celebrate a fundamental aspect of our own identity, a reminder that the roots of our humanity extend deeper than we may have once realized. As the evidence unfolds, it becomes clear that Neanderthals were not just survivors. They were innovators. Their adaptation to extreme climates and development of tools show how necessity drove invention, shaping their way of life. Interactions between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens were not solely defined by competition for resources or territory. In fact, there is growing evidence that these two species engaged in meaningful collaboration, exchanging knowledge, tools, and perhaps even cultural traditions. Archaeological findings suggest that rather than living in isolation or constant conflict, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens may have shared hunting techniques, survival strategies, and insights into their environments. This exchange of ideas and skills reflects a more nuanced and interconnected relationship, one where cooperation and mutual respect played a role in shaping both societies. These shared moments of humanity remind us that, despite the differences between species, there are common threads that connect us all. The ability to communicate, adapt, and collaborate is at the heart of what it means to be human, and the interactions between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens serve as a powerful reminder of the bonds that link all who walk this earth, regardless of our origins or backgrounds. The legacy of Neanderthals is written in the rocks, the bones, and the stories passed down through millennia. Their story is one of perseverance, ingenuity, and a will to endure against all odds. Neanderthals were not only capable but exceptionally skilled toolmakers, and their techniques evolved over time, reflecting both their adaptability and their remarkable ingenuity. Early on, their tools were primarily simple stone implements used for cutting, scraping, and processing food. However, as they adapted to changing environments and faced new challenges, their tool-making abilities grew increasingly sophisticated. They developed a wide range of tools, from sharp flint points used in hunting to scrapers and drills used for skinning animals, making clothing and creating shelter. Some of these tools show evidence of careful craftsmanship, such as the flint tools that were deliberately shaped and refined to increase their effectiveness and durability. This level of craftsmanship suggests not just a functional approach to toolmaking, but a deep understanding of materials and purpose. Neanderthals also demonstrated creativity in their tool design, with innovations like the Mysterian tradition, which included specialized tools for different tasks, indicating foresight and planning. These tools were not merely utilitarian. They were vital instruments for survival, enabling Neanderthals to hunt large game, build shelters, process food, and perform complex tasks. Their ability to create such advanced tools allowed them to thrive in diverse environments, from the frozen tundra to temperate forests, proving that Neanderthals were not just survivors but skilled innovators who could adapt their technology to meet the ever-changing demands of the world around them. The Ice Age shaped Neanderthal existence. Adapting to fluctuating climates, they developed survival strategies that ensured their persistence for hundreds of thousands of years. Their resilience in the face of such challenges underscores their remarkable adaptability. The relationship between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens was far more complex and multifaceted than once imagined. While there was undoubtedly competition for resources and territory, especially as both species shared similar environments during certain periods, there was also significant interaction and collaboration between them. Archaeological evidence suggests that Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens encountered each other on several occasions, and rather than living in total isolation or constant conflict, there were instances of shared knowledge, cooperation, and even cultural exchange. This collaboration may have included the exchange of tools, hunting techniques, and survival strategies, all of which could have benefited both species. Most notably, genetic studies have revealed that Neanderthals and Homo sapiens interbred, leaving behind traces of Neanderthal DNA in the genomes of modern humans. This genetic exchange tells a powerful story of coexistence, blending, and mutual influence. It challenges the notion that Neanderthals were entirely separate from us and highlights the intertwined fates of these two species. The presence of Neanderthal genes in modern humans is not just a biological legacy, but also a testament to the shared history of our ancestors, reflecting a complex and layered relationship that included moments of collaboration, competition, and ultimately, genetic integration. The discovery of Neanderthal burial sites, adorned with tools and animal bones, hints at spiritual beliefs and reverence for the dead. These findings suggest that Neanderthals were capable of symbolic thought, a trait long considered unique to Homo sapiens.